Welcome to the Volkswagen family. Your ID Buzz is packed with exciting features that help make it convenient and fun to drive. Let's unpack the details. Your new Volkswagen includes 2 years or 20,000 miles of Carefree Coverage, which includes the first 2 service visits. Your ID Buzz also includes 24/7 Roadside Assistance for the first 3 years or 36,000 miles. And if your ID Buzz is out of charge, depending on the distance from the nearest charging station, a service operator can come and charge the vehicle and you can be towed free of charge to the nearest charging station via Roadside Assistance. The 4-year or 50,000-mile new vehicle limited warranty helps give you peace of mind wherever the road takes you in your new Volkswagen. Volkswagen EVs also have an 8-year or 100,000-mile high-voltage battery limited warranty. Volkswagen recommends routine maintenance be performed every 10,000 miles or 12 months, whichever occurs first. And the first 2 scheduled maintenance intervals are included as part of Carefree Maintenance. And with the 5-year trial of the myVW Remote Access Plan, you can stay connected with your vehicle right from the myVW mobile app, including a 5-year trial of the Remote Access Plan. Remote access shows you door locks, battery state of charge, estimated driving range, and more, all from your smartphone. You can remotely lock and unlock your doors or activate the climate control on hot or cold days. You can even search for EV chargers and send a destination directly to the vehicle's navigation system. Your Volkswagen also includes 7 years of the Vehicle Insights Plan, which includes maintenance alerts and high-voltage battery charging status. You can also adjust your target state of charge and start or stop a home charging session right from your phone. The myVW app puts control of your vehicle's charging in your hands. Let's check out some other charge settings you'll find helpful. Battery Care helps maximize the health of the high-voltage battery by setting the target charge to 80%. This is the recommended everyday setting, and you can always adjust the target charge setting for longer trips. Setting your charge current to max gives you the fastest, most efficient charge, and selecting reduced will limit the current to 10 amps, which can help reduce the load on your local power supply. You can also set your Volkswagen to automatically unlock the charging cable once a level 1 or 2 AC charging cycle is complete, for example, when charging at home. This makes disconnecting the charger easier when you're ready to leave. The energy management feature uses energy from the high-voltage battery to help support remote requests when the vehicle's 12-volt battery gets low. Keep in mind that using the high-voltage battery for remote and other operations will impact the vehicle's driving range. The myVW app offers so much more, including the ability to find a Volkswagen dealer, schedule service, and request roadside assistance. And you can drive with confidence with 5 years of safe and secure, which includes emergency assistance, automatic crash notifications, and information assistance. There's also Plus Nav, which is included for 3 years and gives you helpful information, including real-time traffic, weather, and road condition updates. And Plus Speech with AI enhances in-vehicle voice control by adding certain online functions and generative AI. You can ask your digital assistant Ida for news, weather, sports, flight status, and stock prices. It can also provide basic internet search results, help to identify nearby buildings and landmarks, and answer a wider range of questions and requests using generative AI. So you can get directions to the grocery store and recipe suggestions or find a place to take a break on your next road trip. You can do a lot with the myVW app, so download it today by visiting the App Store or scanning the QR code on your screen. Your Volkswagen EV includes a 3-year Electrify America Pass Plus membership, and your first 500 kilowatt hours of Electrify America public charging is on us. And when you activate Plug and Charge in the Electrify America app, just plug in at an Electrify America DC fast charging station. And once the connection is established, it'll start charging. It's as simple as that. Download the Electrify America app to get started by visiting the App Store or scanning the QR code on your screen. Your Volkswagen may be equipped with IQ.DRIVE technology, which provides driver assistance features that can help you make your drive safer and more enjoyable. Learn more about IQ.DRIVE at vw.com/IQ or by scanning the QR code. And keep an eye on your inbox for your personalized newsletter, VW Go. You can also find more information about your vehicle, including video tutorials. Visit vw.com/tutorials or scan the QR code. And you can find your full-length digital owner's manual within your vehicle's infotainment system. Congratulations on your ID Buzz. See you on the road.